Pwede na mag-transfer. Let's transfer. Ay, sorry. Layo pala yung microphone. Yung mic test. Magta-transfer na ako. So, 5602 ang taas niya, for how many days to? For the week, for the month. Ay, mas mataas yung nakaraan. 56.4. Hintayin ka pa ba magtaas? For the year, mataas. 55.8. 56.3 yung nakamataas. For the week. Ito ang pinakamataas niya. So, ano bang gagawin ko? Magta-transfer ako o hindi? Hintayin ko muna tumaas. Diyan muna siya. Siguro mga December mataas na to. I'm just trying to show paano mag-transfer. Yan. Let's try. Transfer funds. Pwedeng, okay. So yan. Transfer to your bank. 1% fee typically in minutes. And then, pwede sa immediate debit card. Fees may apply. Dito. And then, you can tap next. Pero hindi na ako muna. I'm going to wait for this. Baka tumaas pa siya tumaas pa. Alright. So, that's it. I just edited my YouTube channel. Nung inilagay ko na yung PayPal. Nakakakita kasi ako ng PayPal. Kaya lang hindi ko alam kung tama yung ginawa ko. It's yung PayPal.me. Like this one. Triple P pala ang PayPal. Alright, PayPal or 3PL is applied for a license under the Singapore Payment Services Act with the Monetary Authority of Singapore. During the statutory transitional period, 3PL is operating under an exemption from holding a license and is allowed to continue to provide specific payment services. PayPal, 1999 to 2022, all rights reserved. Ayun. Okay. So, ayun. I updated my YouTube para nakikigaya lang. So, you can PayPal me, adjust. Pwede na siyang ilagay pala dyan. Niligay ko siya dito. Sa about ba? Hindi yata sa about. Let me see if it's in the about. Ayun, nilagyan ko ng PayPal, vlog, FB page, TubeBuddy, and Twitch. But I'm not using Twitch. Kaya, busy in YouTube and seldom. Pang-share ko lang yung FB page. So, if you click this, let me see. Let's try. Oops. It's opening. Mataas ang dollar today. And there you go. Ayun. You can just send. What if you send? Let me see. Send. Click natin ang send. I'm just curious. If you click send, first time ko lang kasi siya. I'm just exploring. Hindi ako masyadong What is this payment for? Pwede mo lang yan. May personal with a gift card. Pwede pala mag-gift din. May gift din pang nalalaman. Ooh. Something like this. Okay. And then what's next? And then add a message. Okay, ganun pala yun. Alright. So that's it. Ganun lang pala yun. I'm just exploring PayPal kasi matagal na akong may PayPal since kailan ba yun? Since 19 forgotten. I don't know when I started PayPal. Nasaan ba yung nakikita? Hindi ko alam kung saan siya nakikita. Anyway, so this was 1999. Maybe around that time nang magkaroon ako ng Gmail. I forgot. Okay. So, thank you so much everyone for watching. This is LuvLiNes. Ayan ang aking home. And, pando ng PayPal, Facebook. Facebook, Blogger, and TubeBuddy. So if you want to use TubeBuddy, pwede. And mega love shout out to all my 2.66k subscribers. Maraming salamat for. Thank you so much for the support. And the LuvLiNes channel members. Channel members. Ayun, maraming salamat sa channel members. 8 ang nandito, tama. 8 ang naka-feature. And I have my playlist. You know the playlist. Marami akong playlist. A lot. And my community, of course, my membership. Hindi ko na in-edit yung membership ko. And of course, my channels, I'm a public subscriber, so you can see me in your list like this. You can see yourselves here. Dito silang lahat. Okay, so that's all for now. Just click the subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to your LuvLiNes. And if you want to join, just join. Click that join button. Or you can, and you'll be here in the LuvLiNes channel members videos. And ito, play all. Once in a while, update ko yan. And every day, as much as possible, every day, nag-play ko sila kahit pa ulit. And ayun, I do this first, the task. Ginawa ko na siyang task for everyday daily task. 12 midnight, edit ako nito. Hindi 12 midnight eh. Yeah, daily reading for the next day. That's all. And this is my home. 12 elements here. Puno yan. Okay. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is LuvLiNes. Have a good day and God bless. Don't forget, God loves you. You're God's beautiful creation. I will see you again soon. Mega love shout out nga pala. Happy birthday yan. Happy birthday kay cckoi. Happy birthday cckoi. Matagal mag-ano hayon. Happy birthday simplengfilipinaph 08. Birthday niya. You've watching. Happy birthday, cckoi. Alright. Okay. Once again, this is LuvLiNes. And if you want to send something to LuvLiNes PayPal, ganun eh. Thank you so much. Have a good day. God bless. God bless. Stay safe and stay safe. Bye-bye. Ito yung PayPal nila sila sa PayPal.me. Ito yung address. Yeah, 2014 pala ako nag-join. Okay. So, I think I'm going to edit this one. Kailangan nakakapitalize, diba? Updating your name, for example, using your full name instead of nickname. Hindi pala pwedeng mag-update. Ayoko na. Magkakapitalization lang naman ang problem doon. It's okay na. Change ni no need to change name pala. Update profile. Anyway, yan. Okay. Maraming salamat. Once again, God bless. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Meron akong thank you dito. Thank you.